Hey guys, so I'm going to be making bath bombs today, and I'm going to be showing you a quick process of how I'm going to do it. I bought this kit from Amazon. Actually, Amazon has many kits I've bought before, but this one specifically is from Argos if you're in the UK, and it's like a kiddies one. But I do have my own shop where I sell these things if you want to buy my bath bombs, soaps, whatever I make. I make so much homemade, handmade stuff. It's amazing how easy and good these stuff are. But we're going to try out this kiddies one today. So in the bowl I just opened one of the bicarbonate of soda. It's called Surprise Color. Alright, so I opened one of them, and I'm gonna add the citric acid that you see there. It comes with 3 each because you're gonna make 3 bath bombs today. So we have 3 different colors, and we also have 3 each, so 3 citric acid and 3 carbonate of sodas, and we have 3 different colors here in the kit. We also have this little I don't know what to call this, syringe tool thingy, and it's to put some water in to mix it all together. Then we're going to put them in these containers to set them, or molds, okay, and that's going to give us the shape of our bath bombs. So let's go ahead and get mixing. All right, and first off, as I said, I've got the bicarbonate of soda in there, and I'm going to put the water, as this says. It's not in English, but I guess you can just, you know, go ahead and follow the instructions and what the packet says. So first off, bicarbonate of soda, mix with the water and add citric acid. Mix it all together and put them in the mold and set them for a while. And then we're going to use them and see how it goes in the bath. All right, so let's go ahead and keep mixing. Put water. I'm not sure how much you put in there. I'm just going to put one more. So let's fill it with water. Then we're going to add citric acid next. I'm adding citric acid. I'm just going to mix that. And so far it looks like a pinky color. So now I'm going to add the color in after mixing citric acid and the bicarbonate of soda together. I'm going to keep mixing this. Add a little bit of water as I go along. Okay, just to make it combine and not making sure I don't get too much of the reaction. Alright, while we're making this bath bomb. And then I'm going to put them in the mold. Alright, let's see. Just going to keep mixing that quickly. And this is going to be like a crystal bath bomb. I'll show you guys when it's finished. So now guys, I've filled one of the side of my mold. The other one is over here. I'm simply going to put them together, set it, and you know, after I open it, I'll show you guys. You're going to put that to dry somewhere, okay? So now I'm going to put these together and show you guys what it looks like. When you are finished, you're left with a ball like this in the mold. So you're going to leave that for a while. You can leave it, or you can just open it and see what it looks like. Take the excess off and set it for a while. Make sure it's filled up before both sides are filled up before you put it together. Okay, this is gonna look so good. Wow, can't wait. When you take it out, this is what your bath bomb is gonna look like. You're gonna put this down somewhere to dry right now, so you don't break it or dismantle it. But yeah, gonna put it to dry for a few hours. Well, the reason why I made this video today is because a lot of us wants to make these things at home, all right, and we're not sure what it looks like when there's a fail. So this is what happens when you put too much water. When you're making your bath bomb, it overactivates, starts to foam, and you can't stop it. Okay, so this is the second one I'm making, and I wanted to show you guys what happens when you put too much water in there. You just can't stop the process of it reacting once it starts to react. This is a green one. As you guys can see, no matter how much you try to mix it to save it, it's just going to be gloopy like this. Okay, you want it to be powdery. You know what a bath bomb should look like. All right, this is not what it looks like. This is what happens when you're mixing it and you add too much water in the mix. Okay, so please follow the instructions. Even though this instructions will tell you exactly how much water to use, you're just meant to use basically like a drop of water. All right, so yeah, always make sure you follow instructions, and these things are trial and error. Right, you have to try and test these things out until you get really comfortable doing it and get a hang of it. Still activates when you put water on it. Alright, it still works, but it's going to cause a lot of lump in your water. You don't want to sell this, or you don't want to use this for yourself. Alright, even though it still works, it's still going to activate, but it is just not going to be smooth and the type of bath bomb that you normally want to be in or want to, be selling or have. Yeah, it's still good, but just as I said, make sure you don't put too much water when you're making your bath bombs. Still gives a nice fizz and a nice bubbling action. Wow, yay! So let's check out the one that we have set for a while. There you go, it's all clear now. So definitely, if you make a mistake, you can use that for yourself. It's still going, it's still activating, but yeah, it is beautiful, isn't it? So satisfying. What we do here is go back. But yeah, that's just a little fail in bath bombs. If you didn't know, I don't know if anybody done videos like that telling you guys that, but I just wanted to put that in this video for you guys. So if you're trying, or if you want to sell these bath bombs for yourself, or just to give your family and friends, and you don't want to mess it up or have money to mess up, just know that sometimes you could use it for yourself if you mess up, but at the end of the day, it is also good to know that too much water can spoil a bath bomb process. Oh, it's still going. I just love it. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Comment and let me know if you want to see more videos like this, guys. I'll definitely be making them. So I did two different sizes for you guys. I did half of a bath bomb, and a whole one. These are so good. They're really hard right now. You guys can even leave them overnight. You can leave them for as long as you want, okay? But I really like these little gems inside of them. It's a type of box. It comes with little gems, or it's meant to look like little gems. It's meant to look something like this. Alright, and as I said, I found these on Argos. In the UK, you can get kits with bath bombs anywhere. As I said, this is like for the kiddies one, but I'm still gonna use it. The kids are gonna use it. If you guys want to see me making more bath bombs, please make sure you comment and let me know. Okay, but this is as good as it gets, guys. Super easy. You can definitely try it with your kids or try it on your own. But as I said, you can do this many different ways. You can put your own scents in there, flowers, you can put crystals. There is so much things you can do. So if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know, and I'm here to help you guys. Stay tuned and keep watching for more DIY videos. Alright, bye guys, take care. and it's still going. So let's just add a little bit more to it. It is so beautiful. I'm loving the green. Yes. Sometimes you see the fail just works out, doesn't it? Thank you guys for watching. It just looks beautiful. I don't know, it just looks like the ocean. So satisfying. Bye guys.